Greetings from the road. This is Freighter Jim. I'm here in the morning here in Hillsboro, Oregon. It's a suburb of Portland. Notice the grate on the street. I'm picking up for a repeat customer. This is a beautiful 39 Chevy Custom. It's going from a father to a son. Gravity is my friend. So I park on an upgrade to load and unload. And I put a winch on, a line, and I attach and I winch everything on and off the trailer. So he just pulled this up to the back. Whether a vehicle runs or not, I winch it on or off. So if you need direct enclosed transport from pickup to drop off, whether your car runs or not, give Jim a call, 260-804-6695. Thanks for looking. Remember, drive safe, arrive alive. Greetings from the road. It's Freighter Jim. We're going to load up this custom 39 Chevy. It's got all original steel. So let's commence. So again, I'm parked on an upgrade on a residential side street. I'm using gravity and my remote controlled winch to load the vehicle. This is how I load and unload all vehicles into my trailer. So I'm going to stop here, adjust the steering, and then get back to loading.